welcome back to Series 5 in our awareness effort to better reach you by disrupting your programmed life creatively. We are only limited by what we believe to be our truth. Meet Matt. Matt's filtered view contained so much pain and suffering, conditioning the unconscious belief that violence was the only way of the world. Matt was born, Matt grew up, and despite all the sufferings, Matt had actually grown to achieve everything Matt had ever wanted. And now, Matt had no idea what else to do. Without a direction, Matt's outdated default settings have taken over, and Matt's version of separation sickness is acting up again, manipulating Matt's filtered view with emotions fueled by suffering, activating limited beliefs and old narratives. Separation sickness can be thought of as a very sophisticated malware virus that describes our traumas, our pains, and the unique sufferings that we accumulate as we exist here. We tend to upload our malignant code into our automatic operating system, AOS, unconsciously as we develop. Malware is malicious software. When such a virus is loaded into an operating system, it can cause damage and make unauthorized changes while spreading itself throughout the processing system, corrupting data along its way. Without a dedicated practice towards personal development, a lack in a current sense of purpose can lead to an increased unhealthy desire for fulfillment. Matt's intimate relationships have been immediately affected. Feelings of jealousy and a need to control tends to arise from uncontrolled desire, fueling our separation sickness. The violent behaviors Matt has witnessed from the past were now being mimicked in response to Matt's triggers towards his lack of purpose, all without knowing that there is another way. When our sense of suffering takes over our operating, all the programs we have downloaded and the new experiences we seek to join become vulnerable to our version of separation sickness, thereby keeping us divided. It was not long before Matt's loved ones stopped tolerating the unconscious behavior. Matt was soon led to us and recognized the disruptive programmed behaviors, all of which allowed Matt to begin to design a new life to create it. Through our ROAR system, Matt was able to better identify when his emotions were becoming triggered, which has caused Matt's AOS to launch high-risk behaviors that have disrupted Matt's daily joinings. Matt began to consciously replace his outdated modes of response. We do have an opportunity to become accountable for the ways that we show up in the world. It is never too late to examine our lives, determine if we are playing small, and learn to upgrade our mindsets. At Urban Spiritualist, we are here to offer our mindset training to all of us, as we recognize that real change is co-created. We are placing our offering freely on the table, making the means towards self-liberation available to us all. Join us.